Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing what matters: your ID, a charged device, and stable Wi-Fi. Create your Plum account and enable 2FA so your money and settings stay secure. Once done, install the latest app or firmware and grant notification permissions to receive alerts. Next, link your bank or card via Secure Auth and confirm verification, either instant or the small micro deposit check, because connection integrity prevents sync errors later. You now configure the core features that make Plum useful. Start with saving rules. Choose roundups, a percentage of income, or fixed transfers, and set frequency. Then connect any third-party services like investment accounts or bill managers and map transaction categories so automation behaves predictably. Once configured, adjust transfer limits, notification types, and auto-transfer schedules to match your cash flow. This reduces failed payments and keeps goals on track. Finish by validating everything. Run a manual transfer, then check transaction logs and balances to confirm accuracy. Make sure backups are enabled, export your settings, and set recovery methods so you can restore quickly. Monitor the first week closely and adjust rules as needed for realistic pacing. If things go wrong, first review app permissions and reauthorize the bank link. If that fails, clear cache or reinstall the app. This often resolves stale tokens and sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.